Have you ever been frustrated by a toolbar that just doesn't look right? If you've been trying to apply elevation to your Android toolbar and ended up with a shadow on the title, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve that issue together. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your design doesn't come out as expected. You want that sleek shadow effect under your toolbar, but instead, you get an awkward shadow on the title. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why is the elevation applied to my toolbar title as well?" They shared their code and a screenshot showing the shadow effect they wanted, but also the unintended shadow on the title. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? When you apply elevation to a toolbar in Android, it can sometimes affect the title as well, creating that unwanted shadow. This happens because the elevation property applies to the entire view, including its title. But don't worry, we can fix this. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will help you customize your toolbar even further. You won't want to miss it. To address the issue of the shadow appearing under the title of the toolbar, the user should first consider using a separate layout for the title. This can help isolate the elevation effect. Next, the user can define a custom layout for the toolbar. This layout will include a text view for the title, allowing for more control over its appearance. After creating the custom layout, the user should update the toolbar in their main layout file to use this new layout. This will ensure that the elevation only affects the toolbar itself. Finally, the user should set the title programmatically in their activity or fragment. This will allow them to control the title without affecting the elevation. Fun fact, did you know that shadows can actually enhance the perception of depth in user interfaces? It's true, but only when done right. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests removing the elevation from the style and instead applying it directly in the toolbar XML. This way, the shadow will only appear under the toolbar, not on the title. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. This user points out that the issue arises from using style properties meant for widgets in a theme. They suggest creating a specific style for the toolbar, ensuring it inherits from a toolbar parent. They also recommend using an app bar layout to apply elevation effectively. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to change how you apply the theme to your toolbar. Instead of using Android theme, which adds elevation to nested components, you should use style. This way, the elevation will only apply to the toolbar itself, not the title. Here's that neat trick I promised. You can customize the shadow's color and size by adjusting the properties of the view you added. This gives you full control over how your toolbar looks. And there you have it. Your toolbar should now have a clean shadow effect without affecting the title. Remember, experimenting with layouts can lead to amazing designs. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep creating beautiful interfaces.